Understanding Get Taken for a Ride, a deep dive into slang. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we simplify English for you. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, get taken for a ride. This expression is rich in meaning and context, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the English language. So, let's unravel this together and add another cool phrase to your English repertoire. The phrase, get taken for a ride, is an idiomatic expression that means to be deceived or cheated by someone. It implies that someone has been misled into believing something that is not true or has been involved in a situation where they were taken advantage of. The ride here is metaphorical, suggesting a journey where the destination is not what was promised. Understanding the origins of idioms can be quite intriguing. The phrase, get taken for a ride, has its roots in early 20th century America. Originally, it had a much darker tone, associated with gangsters who would take their enemies for a ride, from which they never returned. Over time, its usage evolved to a less ominous meaning, referring broadly to any situation where someone is deceived or cheated. To fully grasp the phrase, let's look at some examples. I thought that car was a great deal, but I ended up paying way too much. I really got taken for a ride. Be careful when you shop online. There are lots of scammers looking to take you for a ride. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, emphasizing its versatility in describing deception. When using the phrase, get taken for a ride, it's important to remember its connotations of deceit. It's best used in informal situations when you want to express that someone has been misled or tricked. Here's a tip. Pair it with a story or explanation to make your conversation more engaging and clear. And that wraps up our exploration of Get Taken for a Ride. We hope this video helps you understand this intriguing phrase and empowers you to use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, language is a journey, and each new phrase you learn is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video where we'll continue to unlock the secrets of English together. Happy learning!